IFP is an organization eyasungulwa ngenhloso yeculture yokuthi iqhubezele iphinde ukudla amasiko ngenhloso ukuzokhova abantu bakwaZulu as a loyal people abantu bakwaZulu abantu abaloyal mabethanda into bayithanda futhi mawuke wayisheba ne culture into yakhona kodwa awusuyibiza ngepolitiki na kanjani bazoyilandela. So ke AFP has been corrupt since the day one was born, because you can't manipulate people in the name of democracy, and there is no history of the IFP where abaholi bakona abakathiwa balaza kune history abaholi bakona bexoshwa emaqembini abo ababekuwona bezosungula iqembu ekele IFP. Lokho kukhombisa ngokusobala ukuthi Africa vukani, ngithi ma Africa vukani njengamanje ngani kwethu kubaluleke ngaphezulu kwezinto zonke ukuthi lo mlando niwazisise. Nami ngisengumfana ukuthi njalo ngolesithathu mangabe kuphunywa kuyenziwa ama-culture uthola ukuthi lapha ngempela siyofunda ubuntu botho. Kuyaqala ngqa ngoZulu government esakhula thina sazi uZulu government ukuthi kufundwe ngeqembu lezepolitiki emaklasini. The way IFP was so corrupt and was so manipulative, that was so dictative, bephoqa ukuthi iIFP ayiphile kithi ngenkani. Where is democracy in that? Where is freedom of speech? Basebenzisa ubukhosi, basebenzisa inhlonipho yama-Afrika to manipulate the system so that they can be seem superior. Hadi ngikhuluma izolobana esingisa abasazi we impathalisi. Okay. Laba bantu basuka lapho ba manipulate system ukuze bona babonakale njengabantu okuyikhontethize abakwazi kuyenza. Ngoba bekholelwa ukuthi abantu bakwaZulu majority, abantu bakwaZulu banenhlonipho, at the same time they are using them so that they can gain their political access. That was very wrong for IFP. Ngishimbala amapeni ngishimsiza sasibhala ngayo yayinembala ye-IFP. Do you think that was fair? That was not fair. I'm talking about this after 1994. That was not during the apartheid. No, I'm too young for that shit. No, that was after 1994. Sifunda ubuntu botho kukhuzwa mama kuthiwa kwenziwa amakhasha othisha abasifundisa esikoleni. Oh Phushengo Qhobhi, oh Phushengo Qhobhi, uqhobhi sishama hubo athuka oMandela sibazi njengezitha, sizingane sibazi njengezitha eyikuthi singasibone singazothi kwenzakalani, kodwa siyafunzwa ukuthi oMandela noOliver Tambo abantu angaze baze balunga nje phansi komthunzi welanga as a result of this Zulu government. But during that period IFP yayikwazi ukuthi ibe nabaholi abaqotho kakhulu abanye babo abakwazi ukuthi isifundo sakho sinehlalo basimele ngendlela eqotho. Obunye babo Frank Mdlalose, abanye baba odokotela ubaba uLawunel Mtshali lapha namadoda ke insizwe zazikhona ngaleso sikhathi ezaziphethe Inkatha inkosi yakwaSoshube lapha owayengqongqoshe we-social development ngaleso sikhathi impela lapha ke umfoka ngubane eMsinga baningi kakhulu abaholi beNkatha abenza imangaliso ngaleso sikhathi. Kodwa ngaphezulu kwakho konke lokho ngithi bakwethu emveni kwalokho iIFP emveni kokuba umntwana waphinda angene ephelelwe ngamandla okuhola nokuyinakela izinto eziningi eqembini lakhe labe selisekwiqembu ngempela ke elifayo. Ingakho namhlanje sibhekene necrisis. IFP is in crisis. IFP is a crisis. Wakwayibona amanyala akwazi ukwenziwa inhlangano yezepolitiki the democracy yenze dictatorship oqala nje ukuthi bahambe bathi makuyovotwa endaweni thize bethi alihoxe ikhansela le-DA bahlangane nekhansela nabantu beNkatha babahambisa ngamabhasi babathatha nakwesinye indawo bethi abavotele iqembu thizeni ukuze lelo qembu lelo ngoba banobudlelwane nalo kuyi-council chamber so that they can remain in power in those municipalities. This is an insult. Hoxa Inkatha qhamuka ubani banoshuka abantu oshuka nequlu oshuka bani yebo. So and then bese bekwazi ukuthi bonke labo bantu bekwenza lokho in the name of corruption, not in the name of democracy, not in the name of fair political game. Yabona. But now I want to be very frankly and straightforward about IFP. IFP is not ready for 2024 and is not ready to govern the province. Instead, yenza manyala ongakaze uzwabone. Lezi ikhume lezi kanye nedata udot mncwango lapho mncwango lo ikhanda lembodla lena ekade imeya yasela kunjanene yalala lapha kwanongoma udot umuntu loya udot umuntu. You are not a leader and you was not born a leader and you are not supposed to lead at all. Wena khanda lembodla wena uyakhumbula ukuthi walanda ngisho ku National Parliament of Walanda ku province ukuthi uyo rescue nongoma wafika wenzani ngoba you use nongoma municipality as a door so that you can manipulate the system. So nazo ukuthi iZululand and Northern Hemisphere and as well as indlunkulu kaZulu ilawulwa yinina. Ningodoti nje lini. Ngiyakutshela mina udoti wena mncwangu udoti yabona. Wena nje ukade kushawa kasibhamu sohlwayi la emehlweni lapho uchofa ubuso bonke lapha istress sokuthi udla imali yabantu ngenxa awuzange uyise intuthuko kubantu. Leli data lele kuthiwa uthula sizwe Buthelezi idata leli. How many boreholes, how many lokunjana lapha oJojo tank osubahambisile emphakathini waseZululand wonkana kunoma ungazokhuluma ngodoti ukhulume ngerubbish wokuthi wena you are just care about umasipala uzoorganize abantu uthi abalethe uthuvi bezofaka emasangweni kamasipala unithatha abantu abaziyitswebhu nezinkaba omadipana niphendula amakhansela ukuthi nibafake lapha kumasipala nenza urubbish lapha kwanongoma ningahloniphi umthetho kamasipala ningahloniphi umthetho kagovernment ningahloniphi umthetho wakwaCocta ningahloniphi umthetho wezeNingizimu Afrika. Nenza lento eniyenzayo mncwango thula sizwe umfundisi njani wena mawusho kusole namhlanje ngiyakunquma ungaphinde uthandaze ungaphinde uvule ngomkhulu kaNdlunkulu ungaphinde ufake ngisho imjiva lehula lezi ngakubona eNdlunkulu ngangikhona uphethe uJesu ungaka wine uthi uphuzela uJesu ungaka ungaka ugoqa wonke ushawa uvala wathi udiyaze leyo ngene emontweni yakho wathi ungcono khona abafana bayashayela. Emveni kwalokho wena udume kabi ngokubulala abantu thubulala abantu wena unquma abantu umuholo njani eBeverly Hills ngikubonile uke wangikhawula cha awuzangikhawula ngilula isandla ngikuguqela njengomntwana waseNdlunkulu lutho waqhamuka lombhalo wakho lokho nokuphonda lesizwe lokho ulinde ukuthi waxulu lo mnyanya lokubhubha lombhalo zalo mfika Inkatha yabona ukwathi ukuthi kwaphebezisa kwenja ukuba lempala naye uNkulunkulu wami aqala ngabafowabo bamgade ngiyakutshena wawuzombulala lwemfana ngabakade afa ngiyakutshena ngendlela onenhliziyo embi ngayo. You don't know politics, you are stupid. Wes leli data olokujalele ikhumelezi ukhanda lembodla ethu omncwango. You don't know politics. La abantu abaqimba kwi-council chamber laphana ke umthetho wale nto usho uthini nuthatha phi lo mthetho wale nto leyo. You must challenge things with rules and regulations. Lalela umthetho ngendlela efanele. iZululand yonke ayinamanzi ngoba nina you are the gatekeeper of the royal household in the Zulu kingdom. Nicabanga ukuthi nina nisebenzisa amaZulu eniwabamba la niwakhove kwaZulu Natal niphinde niwakhove eGoli emvelo kwalokho anivotele niba namakhansela amathathu ekhona amabili emvelo kwalokho niba nabantu abawu 2 or 3 or 4 eParliament nimbongolo lethiwa umkhulekelo leyami ibhunqani wehe ngeke ngisho ufisa sokukhuluma uthando ongathanda isingisi noma ungazenzani umkhuleko ngeke usifane nomntwana okuphinda ngene umntwana okuphinda ngene is a giant umntwana okuphinda ngene is an elephant umntwana okuphinda ngene is a hero umntwana okuphinda ngene is legendary. Nibulala iqembu lomntwana okuphinda ngene ngendlela enimgodoyi ngayo nonke niyabheka anenqondo ngineshow ukuthi umntwana okuphinda ngene misleader. You are doing exactly what Senzo Mkhunu and Bhekitele have done to Ramaphosa to mislead the president. You are also misleading the president of the IFP. Umntwana okuphinda ngene khona shipho lesihlabi seyilento lento don't lento njengathi shu yabo. So therefore I'm telling you straight and I'm setting you the record straight yokuthi lento yokuthi nina ngangithini ngenkatha ngithi ni regional party. You are a regional party. You are based in Zululand. Do you think people will vote for you in 2024? Never. I can never allow my people novotala iphuphu kuzeni lezi enithutha nazo ama-truck ama-tipper truck niyothela inhlabathi kwanongoma office niphinde futhi nithathe amabhakethi othuvi niwafaka lapha kwi-council chamber nivimbe nangawo ngaphandle nifake ichitho ningamanyala wozani ningibulale zinja nginesabi nemgodoyi ngithi sukela namhlanje ningamanyala umhlaba fanele unazi ningamanyala. I'm telling you straight. Doesn't matter how much you can send me the videos and namana lapha lompala lompala walapha Vryheid lompala wase Vryheid yazi ukuthi lompala wase Vryheid lo mpala mncane ngaka ngoma ayingoma kazathi mina uyazi iqasho mfana mncane lo mpala mncane kuyiphotho lokunamashakhe mawukhejema yakagijima kwathi mawuzikhibunga noma kuqondile kodwa Osathi ngisinjalo ngithengela le voice note yakho bethi bakugxeka ayi mina ngizwanga mina angifunzwa ke mina angifunzwa umfana wase Vryheid lo uphethe lo uMaphisa umeya wase Vryheid ayi ukhuluma izulu eqondile laphana umeya mangabe eqondile ekhuluma eba yiqhuthu umuntu maye ube yiqhuthu ekhaya ekhombisa uphethwe indoda ethethisa abantu futhi okwesibili sicela ukuthi avele phela barekhoda yonke ama-caucus lawo yonke umhlanga ngivele ngoba phela kushuthi phela ke sekusemthethweni wokurekhodana ekubeni nazo ukuthi lonke into ayilungile nakhona lokho that was a wrong thing and what is a trap umani futhi umxosha uMaphisa mxosheni ningalokho nekhanda izinto eyingekho zibe khona ngoba mina le nkulumo engizwile lapha ukukhuluma izizulu esiqondile futhi lezizulu ngisiboni nakancane esinenkinga uyabona ngaphandle kokuthi uma kuyi-formal meeting ku-staff meeting awukwazi ukuqoshamisa amagama ukhulume ngendaba yalobo umkunzi akhulume ngabo kodwa nje in politics ukuba he was addressing the political gathering ngabe ngithi mina mfana wenkunzi kodwa if in a house of a meeting staff meeting then khona lapha bena amaphutha khona nakhona lapho ngemsola kodwa egcina ngosuku ngempela awukwazi ukwenzeka into nje kumasipala uthi uphethe kubonakala sekushunqwa nje lapha kuthiwa kuyosiwa kwenziwa lapha ayifiyosa kuwosa bani wenzani no you need to be informed as a leader otherwise there should be no leadership yabona don't use your political scams to manipulate someone never ningakwenzi lokho if you are really leaders yabona inkinga zenu akubezeni nukela nothi shipise neseni ngiyamtshela mina Latoto nozakana ngoma lukhulu leza lenyalela sine inkinga namhlanje eNdlunkulu ngenxa yeni mncwango naleli data leli aphinde evule umkhulu lo mkhulu uvula ngawo eNdlunkulu usebenza lapho na data ndini wami addressa zonke izinto lapha azisona nje ngawo thula sizwe isona nje ngawo now I'm calling you straight thula sizwe Ziyakhala phela manje lalela wathula sizwe akusadlalwa manje sibheka 2024 and isikhathele siyicountry sivalelwa ihinja ula maphoto sivalela we lockdown ucishela ugesi sineyinkinga South Africa vele sifana ukuthi sifile asisebenzi asinamali nibanga nodwa amathenda fusak Ziyakhala ke manje we are already dead but in the history of our continent and in the history of our country someone must remain and say khona khuluma iqiniso. That's why even Chris Hanna today is still alive. That's why Malcolm X today is still alive. That's why Martin Luther King Jr. is still alive. Ngizwe Mkhono will live even when I departure where I am. Someone come and kill me. Ngisedela ama-SMS, ngibhalele lubhecele. Ngisedela ama-SMS, ngisedela ngibhalela izinto, niyangisabisa, niyangifonela, nizongibulala. Do you think it's a good idea for Inkatha Freedom Party to be known as abantu ababulalayo? To be known as abantu abangazi politics? To be known as abantu who abangatshenwa okufanele bona babetsheniwe fanele be decide to kill someone or to organize the hit for someone? Do you think that is fair? Do you think it's what province you want to live in? Do you think it's a country you want to live in? Never, Kotwan. Samana sinego zomwa.